want the traffic to slow. No devil in here. Join us. Hey! I say forward never, backward never. Yes, get back up to where the fire truck is. Everybody behind the vehicle. Moving forward. Let them know. Let them know. We are going to the House of Assembly. We are going to the House of Assembly. So you will vote for PDP. Oh, yes. For integrity. If you not be men with Sabi, any other person. If you not be PDP, use reverse. The cars. House of Assembly. Use back there. Use back there. Use back there. I go straight. Go back. I will follow you. Go straight. No. Hey, go straight. Hello. Hey, go straight. Never go straight. Go straight. House of Assembly. Now you go lead us to the promised land. Asue Ighodalo from Governor. We are not protecting them of all.
Last few days, there were some misconceptions and some misgivings, which was aimed at disenfranchising our supporters, that to the extent that PDP will have no candidate in the election. We only came out today because we have no issues in court. The issues in court does not in any way relate to our candidates. What we did today is to come out to make our supporters feel our candidate and say that our candidate that we are right in the election. We are beginning campaigns now. Next week we are in the donuts.
There are two people in this election. That's Dr. Asue Ighodalo and the rest of them. You can see the end shopping. You can see the organic nature of the crowd that came today. We only sent out invitation day before yesterday. What is more, what they got the three metropolis they got, Ikobaka and Oredo. Just to demonstrate that we're ready for this election.
So he's a man that has empathy for the people. And because of his foresight, that is why we, the Edo State Diaspora Movement, is mobilizing people from all the local governments to make sure that we join this rally. This rally is a bomb and it's a success. Ighodalo will stand.
The people of Edo State, they are with Asue Ighodalo. They are with PDP candidates. They are with the PDP. We are not deterred. We are ready. No matter what anybody is saying, we are ready to vote massively for Asue come September 21st. Which, as you can see, we are in the grassroots. It's Asue Ighodalo. All over Edo State is Asue Ighodalo. Even in the national, they know and they want the right thing. It's Asue Ighodalo.
That is it.
And that is what we stand for. And that's what obedience stands for.
Yeah.
You can see that the ring road is occupied by Asue Ighodalo's supporters. These people, they are voters. They are going to vote. By the grace of God, Asue will be the next governor from the 1st of September.
We're going for unprecedented. We're forward ever, backward never. Edo State is moving to a higher level. Edo State is going to totally be rejuvenated by God's grace. So we're good.